First, let's hear samples and all the elements I have used one by one. Now let's hear them all together. So what I did was, first of all, I downloaded the song in MP3 and used the plugin Serato sample and loaded the sample in. Then all I did was go here, separated the keyboard part, this white line thing here, and set the slicer. I set the bar to 1 so that each sample length is 1 bar, and then I played the notes and that's it. And then again what I did was, for the sample 2 I just did the same. It's just same clone. I don't know why, but Serato sample doesn't let two keys play at the same time, so I had to separate them and make another sample. And for the guitars I have used this free guitar plugin that you can find, the vinyl guitar 2. This is free. All I have done is went up to here and laid out chords from here, and what I did was add a little strum so that it feels like somebody played it for real, or at least it doesn't feel very robotic. And also I have randomized the velocity and pens, and then I added this synth type thing from Vital, which I designed. I don't know why I added this, but I just did. And then for the bass, what I did, I put in a bass plugin and played all the bass notes from here, and that's just it. And then I added a shaker and a simple kick, and for the last one I added a contact guitar plugin, which is Shreddage 3, which is free, so that's fucking amazing. And yeah, that's how I sampled Katiya Karun from Rockstar.